intervene in case of emergencies. This case, while tragic, brought to light the legal lacuna when it comes to AI-related accidents. It became a catalyst for discussions about liability in situations where an AI fails to perform as expected. It also highlighted the importance of human oversight in the current stage of AI development. This case raises several pressing questions about liability in AI-related accidents. In the Uber case, the safety driver was held responsible, but is that the right call? This question brings us to the heart of a complex matter: the legal challenges in assigning responsibility in AI-related accidents. Our current laws are crafted around the notion that a human is always in control. They are designed for a world where drivers hold the steering wheel, pilots operate the controls, and captains steer the ship. But when AI takes the wheel, who should be accountable when things go awry? Some argue that the developers of the AI should be held responsible. After all, they are the ones who programmed the AI, setting the rules it follows. If the AI causes an accident due to a flaw in its programming, shouldn't the fault lie with the programmers? Yet, others contend that this approach isn't entirely fair. AI, especially those based on machine learning, often make decisions in ways that even their creators don't fully understand. Holding them responsible for every decision an AI makes could stifle innovation and hinder the progression of this transformative technology. Perhaps the answer lies in creating new laws specifically tailored for AI, legislation that not only assigns responsibility but also encourages the safe and ethical use of AI. As AI continues to advance, our legal systems must evolve to keep pace. It's a thrilling and challenging journey ahead, one that we must navigate with wisdom